right, so this is a paradox question. So what's the why question you'd ask yourself before going into the answers? Why?
Why one and the other? Or
Yeah.
why one fact and the other?
Why one even though the other? What would be your specific why question for this passage?
So why would they still say you can take calcium supplements containing lead even though lead is bad for you?
Yeah, it's weird, right? Like, why are you still encouraging this? And that's preferable to nothing at all. Okay, so we're going through and we're looking for something that explains why lead is, or why you should take supplements even though lead is bad for you. What were we tempted by? Anything? Even if we didn't choose it?
I mean, I chose B, but like discussing it, it's obviously wrong because they don't really talk about like dieting or anything like that per se. It seems like extra.
Yeah, well, let's take it. I mean, they don't necessarily have to talk about the answer choice because it says which one following if true. So we're like, okay, well, if this is true, does this help explain, even if it's new information? So whenever the questions say if true, it's okay to bring in new information. B, it is difficult to ensure that one has completely eliminated trace amounts of lead from one's diet. So it's hard to figure out whether you've gotten rid of it all, right? Mm-hmm. Does that explain why you should just go ahead and take it then? Take something that has lead in it?
No.
I mean, even if you don't know if you've gotten rid of it all, it seems a little reckless to me to just be like, well, we can't figure out whether you got rid of it all, so just go ahead and have stuff that has it in it anyway, right? Like, it doesn't necessarily tell us why these doctors are like, this is preferable to no supplements at all. Like, why not? I mean, at least then they'd know. So we need more. Mm-hmm. I don't know that it's bad, but we need more. Was anyone tempted by D or C? C is a very common kind of answer in these. Lead is only one of the common problems. Okay, there are other problems, but lead is still a problem, right? Okay, so watch out for that answer. E, when calcium intake is insufficient, the body draws calcium from bones, releasing stored lead into the bloodstream. In other words, you might end up with more lead, ironically, if you don't take the supplements, right? So it doesn't say that for sure, but it leads to that possibility, which does the most to explain. We're cool with this? Okay, that's paradox questions.